Now celebration everywhere for Benin City as Edo state government finally arrest over 10 people where they collect illegal money from drivers and market women. This one a big move to stop oppression and clean the revenue system for the state. The arrest follow Governor Monday Okpegolo's order wey he give on August 5, 2025, where he banned the activities of some transport unions and revenue agents like National Union of Road Transport Workers NUROTW, Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria RITAN, Aniwat, Drivers on Wheel and Atalakpa Recovering Concept Limited. Dem say these people not obey the terms where government give them to work with Edo State Internal Revenue Service EIRS. Instead, dem begin collect cash by force, they harass and even beat people. One driver even suffer attack sake of say he no gree pay illegal money.
As I drive the car, I see 5 of them. They run enter front of my vehicle. I don't enter front of my vehicle. I say, what happened? They say I never pay. I say, I don't pay employee. I don't pay. This thing, pay 3 of them. He say Atalakpa. I say, which one be Atalakpa? I say, I don't know Atalakpa. Why I go to pay lion money? The next thing, they start to panabit my motor with a motor, all those small motor where they sell for market. They start to panabit my motor. Now me call I say, why not they start my motor now? The next night they start to rush me, they beat me. Collect money from my hand, they share money by themselves. They share money finish. Now I say, maybe I collect, make carry motor, make go to work. Many follow them, make they give me my money. After I don't enjoy me, now they go sit down with paper, they start to drip here. They say, I not get what I want to do. The next thing, me just say all those officers you come, one you run enter so you go sit down like saying they bad here. Now I say that one I be Atalakpa boy. The rest of the come wrong. That's why I take it reach.
Secretary to the State Government Barrister Umar Musa Hilo talk say now only EIRS fit collect government revenue now and they must use POS machine with local government people and approved agents. Say no cash collection they allowed at all. A constant talk say anybody wey not obey go face arrest and persecution. Say one person wey beat driver don dey police hand and them go charge am to court within 24 to 72 hours. Oga Musa also yarn say the governor dey serious to clean the revenue system and protect people from oppression and cheating and come beg everybody, especially market women, drivers and traders, to report anybody wey still dey collect illegal money through government helpline. A court talk say to make everybody sabi wetin dey happen, government don produce radio jingles wey go dey inform people say ignorance no be excuse.
It is the intention of government under the leadership of His Excellency Senator Monday Okpegolo to sanitize the revenue collection system in Edo State and ensure that it is done without oppressing people, without cheating people, and without extorting people. And because the governor is a very proactive and responsive governor, when he gets reports that some of these groups were busy extorting people, he gave immediate instruction for their suspension and their banning. And this ban is going to be in place for a long time because when we just came, we issued a ban and later we gave a limited authorization by telling them, okay, cooperate with Edo State Internal Revenue Service in terms of helping them collect this revenue. But do not collect cash. Just talk to your members so that your members can comply with ERS officials. That was the rule. ERS officials have POS, together with some of the local governments, heads of revenue. This was how the system was supposed to run. But what we realized is that many of these associations and unions went rogue. They stopped listening to ERS. They started collecting cash themselves. And then we had all sorts of task force, with under different guises, collecting cash from market women, from road users, drivers. This is absolutely unacceptable to the executive governor, Senator Monday Okpegolo. They are not doing all this with the governor's instruction. It doesn't have any blessing or backing from the government. They're doing this on their own. And the most unfortunate thing is most of them collect this money for their own private coffers. None of it is remitted to government. So This is why we are taking a very strong stance now to say no. The only authorized agency that collects revenue is Edo Internal Revenue Service. And Edo Internal Revenue Service can work together with the various local government revenue heads and their own agents using POS to collect whatever statutory revenues are to be collected. Nobody is supposed to collect cash from anybody. And that is why we are issuing out this notice. And this time we are going to back it up with action. And that is why I am dressed like this today, because it was my intention to even follow the special task force for some of the operations. Today it has been successful. We have arrested some. We even have some of the agents of the so-called consultant who was insisting on collecting revenue, beat somebody up, broke the person's head because the person refused to pay. And now he's in the police custody, and he's going to be there for a long time. We are going to charge him to court in the next 48 to 72 hours and use him as example. And others we follow. In the coming days, in the coming weeks, we are going to continue to enforce. The governor has given instruction for all special task force of government to cooperate on this. Both the task force on anti-cultism, the Edo State Task Force Command, as well as others, are going to come together to enforce this ban until the system is sanitized. Like I said, the Edo State Internal Revenue Service is already putting systems in place to ensure that they work with authorized parties accredited and authorized by Edo Internal Revenue Service. So these are the only people. They will have their tags, they will have their jackets, and they will have POS. No cash collections. So they are the only ones who are going to be operating for now. They are the statutory recognized people. These unions will no more operate. We have sent a message to all their leaders to comply. If they refuse to comply, like the governor said, the full wrath of the law will be brought down on them. We want to assure all drivers, all market women, all traders that the governor, the executive governor of Edo State, is a man that means well for Edo people. And he is a man that hates oppression. He hates oppression to the last fiber of his being. He does not want to hear that somebody is oppressed, beaten. He does not want to hear that. So most of what is happening there in the street were never known to government. And immediately we got the report, the governor said, we have to take action immediately. And that's why you are seeing what you are seeing. So we want to assure the drivers, the common man, the market women that they should rest assured. They should be courageous to report any unauthorized collection that is going on. We have provided contact numbers. They should contact the commander of the task force, and they will swing into action. Persons have been arrested, and we'll continue to make this arrest until we bring entire sanity to the system.
Commander of the Edo State Special Task Force, SP Michael Aneto, lead the arrest operation and confirm say dem pick 10 suspects from places like Oka Market for Upper Sapomba, Sapler Road, Ring Road, Airport Road and Oba Market. SP Aneto yan say for Oka Market, market women happy well as them arrest them, say dem don too suffer for years. Eko tok say all the suspects go meet Commissioner of Police sharp for prosecution and say this one are just the beginning.
Like yesterday midnight, there was a circular from the Edo State government that banned all the unions collecting illegal revenue, all body, including the Atanapa. So based on that, the task force, Edo State Task Force, was given the responsibility to coordinate the affair. And this morning, with my number that was attached to the circular, majority of them were calling me, giving me situation report that a lot of the unions, including Atanagba, still collecting money in some area. So I have to mobilize my boys and sweep into action. We went to several places, and at the end of the day, I got another call at Uka Market, where one bus driver was asked to bring money. He refused and he was beaten and giving serious injury. So we were able to arrest some boys there who he identifies as Atanakpa boys collecting money. And after arresting them, the women, if you see the joy over there within the market women, they were very happy that we have rescued them. From those little, so some of them we interviewed told us that these boys have been terrorizing them. They were happy with us, and we promised them we'll be coming there on a daily basis. And right now with these suspects, they are 10 in number arrested so far. We're going to hand over to them to the Commissioner of Police for prosecution. Apart from Kamake, we went to Sapele Road, we went to Urban Market. I think we have 2 suspects by Urban Market here. With 8 we got at, even as I'm here now, I've still got a call now at Airport Road. Airport Road by House of Assembly, by Ring Road. People are still collecting money. So it's a continual thing. We just need to keep on doing our best. Every day we'll be out there until they're able to stop it.
If I come up for here, me they go, me they send people go. Me they go, me they carry go there, me that boy go, me go show them the motor when they drive. The motor when they use panabit. We say they use a motor take panabit. People they markets, at today na market. So they see me they see to hear from them. If that boy they work, if he get motor, that boy na my friend. Things don't happen. Maybe one of you some police come. I say maybe never call police. Now call the for the time I call tell look everybody. This will not be police. I see somewhere task force. That's always one. What happen? Let them take carry me come out. Other thing not there. How they collect me? They not see 1 naira from my hand. They not see anything from my hand. Now what happen with that?
Afternoon, so I dey our park. I be keke rider too. I also dey work for Ipoba Council. This afternoon, I dey our park, so where they give a ticket, where the task force officers come carry me. I dey ask them wetin happen. They say make I enter motor. As I enter motor, they no talk to me. They carry me come go office here. As me reach here before they come, they ask us say na ticket where we dey sell na illegal ticket. And me they work with Sunday Salami. And they give me ticket where I dey sell, and also I be an award member from Keke Nape Union. I don't know anything. If to say that you tell me say see wetin happen, no, I for no come out. Now wetin happen be that this afternoon.
So you know they are worth say they don't buy tickets.
I know they are aware. If I dey aware, the first time where Kabaka boys been come out, they even meet me. They still carry me. They talk to me say they don't buy ticket though. Since that time, I no come dey sell ticket. Now, of recent, that was early this year. So, since that time, I know on the court ticket. Later, they say they don't resolve the matter from the state where they come give me ticket where I start to resell.
This Ijeki, Edo State Ijeki, Josephine, Pastor Josephine, I would work for. But for today, that was yesterday. I worked yesterday. I would work for. So under Princess Omegui for Ijeki for Cecilio, that one going to give her money. So today, me they come for my junction. As I work out for job, I carry by across the bar. Normally people know me say the ticket when they collect, when they collect dirty for the market dead, when they carry the dirty, now we they collect, now we they give Ijeki. So as me they come out today, money in my hand, 20,000 naira. I want to pay for POS. Even the account number, the POS where I want to go pay people, the people need the person need they see there. As I want to pay me, they work out, they come for the junction. Maybe when they know say I fed the cut ticket or the ticket they call, and I saw the break. I can say what happen. The money in my hand, they look my back. Now I say what I said a ticket that they collect, but I never started to collect ticket for today. That's what the matter happen. Because if you reach office, now make a call. They say if you reach here, I go make call.
Today I dey work. They collect waste bin money for under Oredo local government. So as I just dey, now they just owe me. I know you just follow them argue. Say my enter motor, now I follow the enter motor. Now they take carry me come here. So
Who you dey work for?
FOSA. Former so now they give the accuser where they collect the revenue of all those waste bin. And now they work for sir.
Na community work that I do. I do community work. Eyo part, Eyo owe me. Eyo surprise. Now I take this share so.
You dey do wetin?
My brother, now give me the work when they work.
Which work now? Tell us the work wey you dey work.
That's community work now.
Which kind of community work we dey? No get description.
All those wheelbarrow this thing.
You dey collect money from wheelbarrow people?
No, people wey dey carry dirty, they collect their money.
Edo people don't get hope again as government don't show say them no go gree make anybody use power cheat the masses. If you see anybody wey still dey collect money wey not suppose, report am sharp sharp sake of say this new Edo no go carry last. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.